Last year I made more than $3,000 a day working from home, and this year it is my goal to get you at least your first $100,000. That's $1,900 a week, $270 a day. And with all of the side hustles that are out there, there is absolutely no way you shouldn't be making money right now. So in this video, I'm about to give you 3 online side hustle ideas that are tested and proven to get you up to that $100,000 this year. And the best thing about these, you will be able to get started for free. What's up guys, this is Monique and welcome back to the channel. I am back with the news that you can use, but first, if you are new here, hello, bonjour, hola, aloha, konnichiwa, wagwan, shalom, assalamu alaikum, jambo, namaste. So the first online side hustle that I believe is really going to be a game changer this year is to create and sell logos. And don't worry, I will be showing you a super easy way to do this without having any kind of graphic design experience at all. So don't let the idea of logos and creating them overwhelm you. But let me tell you, or better yet, show you why you should be doing this right now. So here is a shop on Etsy that creates and sells logos, and they have made over $1 million since 2020. They are currently bringing in $31,000 every month. And to reach our goal, we just need to make $8,000 a month. But think about all of the people that are starting businesses right now. I checked the term create logo on Google Trends, and it shows that this is something that people are consistently searching for. And it actually had a recent spike in the last month. Now, one of the biggest marketplaces that people are making tons of money selling these logos is going to be on Fiverr. And if we go there right now and type in logo, you'll see that just about every person on here that's selling this service has over 1,000 reviews. That means that there is a high demand for this. And as you can see, these prices vary from $30 to $100 to $200, and people are even selling it for more than that. But let's take a closer look at this person. So it says that they have about 3,476 reviews. I am more than sure they have actually gotten more than that, because when it comes to reviews, only about 5 to 10% of people usually leave them. But just based off the reviews and their lowest selling logo, that means that they have made at least $347,000 by creating these really basic logos that I'm telling you anyone will be able to do. But I'm going to show you how you can take this to the next level using a new tool that I discovered called Kittle. And Kittle is a one-stop design software, and the good thing is you don't need any kind of experience to use this. They have many templates that you can use that are created by world-class designers, and you are able to take these and customize it with just a few clicks. So to get started, you can get free access to Kittle by clicking on a link in the description. And once you create your account and log in, you will be taken to this screen right here. And up here it says to choose a template. We are of course going to select logo, and you can scroll through and look for a type of logo that you are interested in. And from there, once you find one, you'll just click on it, and you can pretty much edit that and customize it to whatever you are trying to create. You can double click into the name to change that. You can also change the color by clicking on the background and then coming up here to color. Now that's one way that you can create the logo. Another thing you can do is use AI to create it for you. They actually have an AI logo generator that will be found under the tools, and all you have to do is select create your logo, and you'll just give it a prompt and tell it what you would like it to create. So I'm going to ask it to create a logo for my beauty brand, Pure Beauty, just came up with that name, and I'm going to say to use makeup in the logo. And it's going to generate a logo, and it'll give you several options to choose from. You are actually able to edit it from here. You can change the color if you want to, and you can choose something like that. You can also change the background if you want to by clicking into the background and changing the colors here as well. And when you are first starting out, of course, you don't have any customers, you don't have anything to show people what you've created. So I suggest you coming in here and just creating a few random logos, and then you can upload it to Etsy or to Fiverr just to give people some ideas of your work. So the next side hustle that has the potential to really make you some money this year, and it is just as easy as the last, if not more. This is going to be another one that is helping people to build their business. And what I'm talking about is creating product labels. Product labels are basically customizable stickers that has various designs and information, and they are added to products that people are selling, of course, to inform people of what it is and to also add a personal touch to it. And there is an extremely high demand for this service. There is a shop here called Paper and Pear Store that sells nothing but product labels. And they also have made over $1 million doing this. And they are bringing in about $17,000 a month. Here is another shop that has made about $800,000 and they bring in about $7,500 a month. That's right around what we're trying to do. And again, we will be using Kindle to create these product labels. We'll come up here to the templates again, and this time we're going to choose labels. And again, there are so many different ones here that you can choose from. And just like with the logos, you are going to want to design a few of these product labels so that you can upload and display your work. So once you scroll through and find a label that you like, one that's similar to those that are on Etsy or whatever platform you may be using. So I'm going to just select this one because I did see some beauty products that were on there, some cosmetics. And just like we did the first time, you can click in here and you can change the name. You can give it a different description if you want to. If you have a certain number, you can add the number down here. You can change the ounces of it. But more important than that, you want to actually put this on some mock-ups so that people can see what this will look like on a product when you are uploading it to somewhere like Etsy. So you would just come up here to mock-up and you will find that they have tons of different products that you can add these labels to so that you'll be able to show people how it will look on a product if they purchase it. So I just typed in hand cream. And I went on ahead and I added it here, and that actually looks good. And then you can just download the mock-up and you'll upload it to your shop. Now the third side hustle idea that can help us on our road to making $100,000 this year is going to be selling digital printables. Now there are many people out there that are interested in digital products rather than buying physical ones because of the convenience of it. And sometimes with digital products, they are able to customize it. And of course, people like to save money. So digital products cost less than physical ones. Now, in case you have no idea what digital printables are, they are downloadable files that is able to be printed, like calendars, planners, certain educational and productivity worksheets, and my favorite is printable artwork. This is a shop that sells printable wall art, and it has made over $1 million doing that. And as you can see, the artwork is really simple. It's usually inspirational or motivational quotes, and it is written on a white or black background. Now this right here is another shop, and this one has actually made over $7 million selling this. So there is a lot of money that can be made here, and I'm about to show you how you can make it by going right back into Kindle. Kindle actually has a quote generator. This generator is able to create unique quotes. Unlike a lot of people that are using these recycled sayings over and over, although some of them are actually working and selling. But with this quote generator, you'll be actually able to make unique quotes, and you'll be able to do it in a matter of seconds. It's going to ask you to pick a niche, and there's many different ones that you can choose here. Or if you don't see anything you like, you can come down here and enter your own niche. And I'm going to just create some quotes around manifestation. And then I'll come to the top and hit continue. The next thing they're going to ask you is, what is the mood of the quotes you want? It can be inspirational, motivational, happy, serious, smart. Of course, we want to inspire and motivate. So I'm just going to go with motivational. And then you can pick the length that you want the quote to be. It can be 2 to 4 words, 5 to 8, 9 to 12, 13 to 16. I'm going to just choose 9 to 12, and then I'm going to select generate quote, and then they're going to give you a ton of different quotes to choose from. I'm not lucky, I'm just good at manifesting. Thoughts become things, choose the good ones. So these are actually some really nice quotes that we can use, and all you'll have to do at this point is we'll copy whichever quote that we like. And remember, like I said here, most of the quotes are going to be on a plain white background. So what we're going to do from here is go back to the main page on Kindle, and we're going to choose a new project. So what I'm going to do now is just choose small poster, and then I am going to choose create, and then I am going to come to this text box. I'm going to select add heading, and I'm going to paste that quote that we just created in here, and then we're just going to resize it so that it looks good. And we want to make sure we try to select the right font. There's many different type of fonts that people use, and you'll just kind of play around until you find one that you like. And I kind of like how this one looks, and you can actually decrease the line height right on the side over here, and you could bring it closer together, which I like that right there. We're going to stretch it out some more, and then we're going to center it. We want that cross to come up, and you just want to put this on some kind of canvas so that people can have an idea of what this will look like. So we'll select mock-up, and they'll give you posters for you to choose for this to go on, and all you'll have to do is just stretch it to make sure it fits in there, just like that. And that actually looks very professional. This is something I would purchase myself. It looks very similar to the things that are being sold on Etsy. This is the type of shops that are making millions of dollars by doing these simple things that I showed you today. Like I said, there's absolutely no reason for you to not be making money this year. And hopefully one of these 3 side hustles, if not all of them, will help to get you to that $100,000 goal and beyond. But just know that this is a journey, and you are going to actually have to work hard at this and dedicate yourself to it if you want to see those results. So I hope that this helped you out. Please like this video to help me out. And other than that, I thank you so much for watching. And until next time, we are out. Peace.